Hello and welcome to our Christmas edition of Barkbox. Now this is my little reindeer here. She's here to help. This is Maya. Oh, of course she's giving me kisses. Anyway, if you have never heard of Barkbox, Barkbox is a monthly subscription service for our canine friends. And my canine friend is Maya, obviously. And now if you would like to sign up using her code MISSMAYA, you'll get a free month's Barkbox, and she will get a free month's Barkbox. So it's MISSMAYA, and I'll leave stuff in the description box and you'll be able to see it. Anyway, if you do sign up with her code, thank you, thank you, thank you. You don't know how much we appreciate it. There's our bum. You're showing your bum to everybody. You don't know how much we appreciate it, really. Like, it helps us out so much. Maya loves her Barkboxes. Anyway, how it works is that I'll show you everything that's in the Barkbox, and then I'll show you Maya playing with her toys and, you know, eating her treats. This is the last Barkbox of the year. We're opening it right now. Oh yeah. I'm so glad I learned Shake. See what this says. Oh, look at that. That looks like Maya. So cute. Season's greetings from our pups to yours. They're advertising something there. Oh, there's their pups right there. That's cute. But they didn't mention how much everything costs in this. That's like my favorite part, to see how much I'm saving. Okay, we're going to start off with this cute little fedora. There's some holly right there. Ooh, I like this. Maya's going to love this. And then check this out. Yeah. That's going to get really, really annoying. It's called Frosty's Fedora. Here's the inside. I'm definitely going to put this on Maya. I'll see if she stays with that on. Probably not. Okay. Here's a cute little carrot. Oh, it's got a squeaker too. Play. Pet lifestyle and you. Carrot toy. Okay, let's see the inside. You can machine wash it, but I don't see that happening because she's going to tear it up. It's durable, double layered fabrics. Inverse stitched for extra durability. Squeaker for hours of fun. Alright, next up is droolers. Look at that dog. It doesn't even look like it's drooling. You should have got Maya in that advertisement. Maya! Grain-free, corn-free, and soy-free. Natural whitefish flavor. And there's the back for you guys. And look at that. That's what it looks like. Flurries for Fido. Oat, flour, lamb, coconut oil, honey, and rosemary extract. I like when I'm able to see what I'm actually opening. Like, I want to see what this looks like. I guess we'll check it out soon. Alright. Next up is Butcher's Block Bones, and we've already gotten one of these. So if you've watched our videos, you know that. Maya enjoys these. She also likes to hide them for like days. So it's 100% natural beef dog treat. And we can't eat it, so don't try. And then, last but not least, ooh, we got a treat tin. Don't dine out, eat in. And keep me filled. Oh, this looks super cute. Let's open it. It's pretty tall. Lots of treats in there. Perfect. So, I mean, I don't normally use these. I just use, like, whatever it comes in. So if it comes in this, I'll use that. But if you want to have, like, a, you know, like a mix of treats or something, you might as well put it in here. Or if you're taking it out somewhere, you might as well put it in here. You're not going to carry this whole thing around. Well, this is pretty tall. It's going to be hard to fit into anything, but that's okay. I'm sure I'll find a use for it. Alright, you're looking at December's Barkbox right here. We got 6 different things. Here they are. Right here's Festive Maya. Hey, boo boo. Okay. Come here. What would you like? Come on. Maya, what would you want? Like this? What is that? Look. Let's trade this for this. There she is. Look at that. What a cute little dog. You want to bite your hat? You want to bite your hat? No. What's with his hat, huh? Look. Oh, girl. What do you have there, Maya? Huh? Her head's in the hat. Or it was. Put your head in the hat again. Let me get on video. Hey, hey, hey. Head in the hat. Right now. Head in the hat. You're like a magician. You're like a magician, Maya. Boo, 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 boo. Head in the hat. Head in the hat. Maya in the hat. Maya in the hat. Go get it. Go get your hat. We're going to test these out. This is what they look like. I'm smelling them. They smell pretty good. She's decided she wants to play with it and she doesn't want anything to do with it. Now Maya might seem like she doesn't like any of the treats, but she actually does end up eating most of them. Okay, this is Drooler's. Let's see if she'll eat this. This is what it looks like. Nope. Not today. She will definitely like the carrot. Watch this. Maya, sit. Sit. Good girl. You want a carrot? You want a carrot? Oh, well, I'm going to throw you the carrot. Go get it. Looks so funny just to watch her with a carrot in her mouth. Give me that carrot. Give me that carrot. Sit. Beg. Good girl. Look at that. There's the tree chew. Yeah, she doesn't want it right now, but I'm sure she will want it later. She's been licking it, so I'm sure she will hide that. And then find it like weeks later and then chew on it. I hope all of you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And if you liked our video, comment, like, and subscribe, and you will see more in the new year. You'll see more of this face.